alright with it.
Come on, break something. We figure if he breaks it, it'll be easier to keep him on the trailer. Yeah.
Get up over it.
That thing's got power. I'm surprised. I think he's second. Yeah, we put it on that hill and it went up the hill and started. It took off from the hill in second. I think he packed up his fast.
There he goes. Oh, he made it.
No problem.
Woo! He's in second.
No, I think he went down to first. He went down to first to get over that thing.
No, don't tell him to upshift. No. He'll mess it up.
We're off the track. Yeah, baby.
Building right up there in the left. Oh shit. God.